Welcome to our new journey into roadrunner and free-range chicken farming. We've just taken a first step into investing in a 36-egg incubator. This small but powerful machine is going to be the heart of our operation, helping us hatch strong, healthy chicks right here at home. We used fertilized eggs from our already grown chickens, which is a variety of different breeds. After carefully setting the eggs inside, we patiently waited for 21 days, monitoring and checking temperature and humidity to give our little ones the best start. Today at day 20, we are thrilled to show you that our chicks have started hatching. After 1 week, they're out of the incubator. We have placed them in a very nice place outside, feeding them with chicken feed and water. They are already active and curious and growing stronger each day. Please join us and subscribe and stay with us as we share this journey with you and show you how we raise our healthy free-range chickens at home.